Monsieur Botero, executive chef for Waring, and we're using a slicing machine. Just about anything: bread, peppers, tomatoes, obviously cold cuts. We have some salami here, and the cutting blade can go from 132 to a ½ inch. We have 130 watts of power. It's all stainless steel, easy to clean, adjustable arm. You turn it on and you slice. Perfect. Very easy. You control the gauge of what you want to slice right here. You could do, again, here's the arm. You can do anything from meat to cheeses to just about anything. Slice away from Waring Professional Slicer.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.